Hey y'all, Kevin here. If you are looking for a way to monitor somebody coming down your driveway or through your gate, I've got the perfect solution for you. So this was sent over by a company called eMACROS, and it is their Pro 4 solar powered basically driveway alarm, if you will. So it's gonna come in this box right here, and you're gonna obviously get a user manual. They're gonna cover all the features here in the video. So what do you all get when you open it up? Well, first off, you are gonna get a little baggie here of hardware to allow you to mount the motion sensor and alarm itself. As you can see, here is the motion sensor. Very, very compact and small as far as the size. It is about 3.5 inches wide. It's about 2 3/4 inches in depth and about 3.5 inches in height. It does just have a ball connection that's going to go ahead and mount. So you'll put the mount up first, and then you'll be able to position it and rotate it however you need to. This mount adds about another inch in depth of it, but very, very easy to install. It's only gonna take a few seconds. Now, it's gonna have the ability to set this up down here at the bottom. You're gonna be able to manually charge it up if you wish. So there is a Type-C charging port. It does include a Type-C cable and wall plug. So you can utilize this to charge up this. But like I said, it has a nice size solar panel on the top. So that sun is going to basically extend the life of this thing. You're gonna easily be able to get several months before you have to charge this up. If you're getting tons of sunshine, you may not even have to charge it up. But if you live in a place where you get lots of clouds or overcast days, maybe after a month or so, you may need to give it a little boost itself. Now, on the bottom side, you're gonna have a high, low, and an off switch. That's gonna determine the sensor's range. So if you have it set up on low, it's gonna go about a 20-foot range. If you have it set up on high, it's gonna go about a 30-foot range. So that's just kind of depending on where this is positioned. If you have it like on a fence post or a tree right next to your driveway, you can put it on that low, but if it's further away, do the high one. Now, the other side is a switch is you're gonna have essentially a channel 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's what you're going to utilize to set up and program for the little device itself. So that way, if you have multiple of these, you can set them up on different channels. However, do note the channel 1 and 2, the little motion sensor eye will turn red and light up. If you use channel 3 and 4, it will not. So if you want this to be kind of more invisible, use the channel 3 and 4, but very compact little device itself. Now let's go over the little base station. So as you can see, the base station here, nice and compact. Also, it does have a hook here on the back, so you can hang this if you wish, like by a back door or something, but it also has little non-slip feet, so you can leave this on a countertop or something like that, wherever you kind of keep where you are most of the day, if you will. Now, you can hook this up to 4 different motion sensors because you have a 1, 2, 3, or 4. These lights will light up depending on the motion detection, but it also does have an alarm mode on it. It's going to have 58 different chime sounds, if you will, so you can easily pick one, whatever you want. It also has plenty of volume options. There is a button on the side that allows you with a little music note. That's going to change the chimes. The other one is going to say volume. That's going to change the loudness. You're going to have the power button and then the pairing button. So obviously just press the pairing button and activate and connect your various motion sensor alarms themselves. Now, these two devices can be quite far in an open field. They're allowed to be about 2,650 feet away. So they have a super, super long range. So like I said, if you're wanting to know who's coming down your driveway and it's quite a distance away, you're gonna be set up with this. It's nice long range, which is absolutely great. Now, as far as the device, it does have a 2000 mAh battery. So like I said, the motion sensor is gonna last for several months. The chime device battery runs out a lot faster because obviously it doesn't have the solar panel element to it. Depending on how often you're gonna go, you may have to charge this once a week or once every other week or something like that. But once again, that's gonna depend on how often it is going off, but it's very easy. Just plug in the front and charge it up or leave it. It's up to you. Now, the motion sensor part, it does obviously have a IP65 rating, so it can be rained on, snow, dust, all that. It's built to be outside, but the panel itself, you need to keep this indoors so that way weather doesn't ruin it essentially. But overall, it works really, really well. If you are into the market and you're looking for an alarm solution, essentially for maybe a gate or your garage, driveway, or something like that, this one is totally worth checking out.